Hi, it's Domino with Drumeo, and we're here in Los Angeles for the return of the Guitar Center Drum-Off. Coming! Not you again.
Hey, Domino.
Hey.
So tell me about the Guitar Center Drum-Off.
Okay, so the Guitar Center Drum-Off is a drum solo competition that originally began in 1988. The past winners are some of the best drummers in the world, like Eric Moore, Tony Verster Jr., and Thomas Pridgen. But then, in 2016, it ended. Since then, there hasn't really been a drum solo competition as big as this one. But tonight, after 10 years, it's finally back. 6 drummers are performing epic drum solos in front of a super impressive panel of judges to win a huge prize, $25,000 in cash. They're gonna be flown to Drumeo and shoot a bunch of videos. And they're gonna get endorsements from their favorite brands. It's so hot in here. We're dying. The AC is broken in my room. What time is it now?
12:40.
We're right on time. Let's go meet the finalists, the judges, and finally discover the winner of the 2026 Guitar Center Drum-Off. Let's go!
My name is Christopher Darden, CJ is what people call me. I'm from Lillington, North Carolina.
My name is Jonathan Fortson.
My name is Jake Ward. I'm from Provo, Utah.
My name is Michael Andrew Cornish.
My name is Caleb Robinson.
My name is Mitchell Gorman. I am from Antioch, Illinois, basically 1 mile from Wisconsin. So if I ever want to sneak out the border and get some cheese, I'm there.
How do you feel today?
I'm relaxed.
My heart's pumping a lot. So.
I can hear it.
I'm doing great. I can't complain at all, man. We're here. I'm so nervous right now. I'm sorry. This is, everything's great. I'm happy to be here. I'm excited.
This is a real hot seat situation being in the Drum-Off.
I originally started playing drums at my church. That's where I got it from, and I'll never let it down.
I've grown up playing drums. My dad was a drummer for the United States Navy Band for 22 years. Played all through high school, listened to a lot of jazz and a lot of rock and a lot of things like in pop music.
I've been playing drums ever since the age of 2. So, I grew up playing drums in church. And I've been doing this for quite a while. I'm 35 now, so,
Yeah, my background is very much rock and metal more than anything else.
I've been drumming literally all my life. Just came out the womb beating on stuff.
Is there a judge that you're excited or nervous to perform in front of?
All of them. Like all of them. They're all legends.
I'll give you 3. That will be El Estebario, Thomas Lang, and Eric Moore.
I just want to get on everybody's good sides.
I don't think I could say one specifically because all of them are drummers that at some point I have studied and listened to what they had to say about the instrument and about music. So I think all of them, especially Jared Falk.
Well, have fun tonight. Good luck.
Thank you guys for having me.
See you on stage.
How are you tonight?
It's very overstimulating, but I'm so happy to be here.
I'm excited about tonight. It's the Drum-Off Guitar Center.
I would be terrified,
Same.
Yeah, I want to see how they perform under pressure.
I feel good. I'm with a bunch of drummers. How can I not be happy? Competitive drumming is like competitive yoga, which exists. It f***ing exists.
They don't let me on camera anymore. That's all I asked for was you when they did the drumming.
Where's Jared?
I get more people coming up to me saying, I saw you on Drumeo than any TV show I've done, any move I've done.
If you had one question that you could ask to any of the judges tonight, we're going to pass that question to the next judges.
I want to say paper or plastic. That doesn't make any sense.
Plastic or paper?
You were doing so well, Domino, up to that question.
I had to, I'm sorry. That guy made me do it.
Well, he should be fired. Ooh, any random question. Would you fight 100 chickens or $25?
Fight 100. Was it like 100 chicken? Okay. Yes, just heard all the drum solos. It was incredible. I don't know how the judge is going to decide who's the winner. We're going to wait for a couple of minutes and we will know who is the winner. That's so exciting. Oh my God.
Let's hear it for everybody that competed tonight. All of you, man. Just killed it. Killed it, man. I won. So in my hand, I have the winner. Bill, you do the honors.
From Hamilton, Alabama, Jonathan Fortson, everybody.
Oh my God, Jonathan, you're the winner. How do you feel?
Oh man, I'm beyond blessed. This is just huge. Like, what do you do with this, man? I'm like floating on a cloud right now.
You deserve it so much. Seriously, like I was rooting for you. I almost cried when you won. Seriously, I was getting emotional.
Oh, I cried like a baby. I'm not gonna lie, I folded on stage.
How do you feel about your performance tonight? Were you feeling confident?
I say after I was like, whatever happens, happens. I put it all out there. Trying to be as musical as I could, and
you were like 100%. Let me tell you that. And also, you're going to visit Drumeo and film some content. Are you excited about that?
Yes, I'm excited about that because, I watch Drumeo all the time. Some of your most famous drummers have done content on this channel. I was like, man, I'd like to do content on this channel one day. And dude, I'm doing content on Drumeo. Like, what?
Have you watched the first time hearing a song? Challenges?
Yeah, so I actually experienced that on another drum channel. It's another drum channel called Drumeo. Shout out to them. So I'm excited to see what happens with this.
Is there any styles that you would be scared to play?
I would say probably the metal tunes and stuff like that. The real fast double bass tune.
Well, now we know what to give you next time you're at Drumeo.
Yeah, it sounds like I shouldn't have said nothing either.
Congrats again. I'm so happy for you. You were incredible.
Yes, thank you. Thank you.
So there you have it, the winner of the 2026 Guitar Center Drum-Off. I hope you had a fun time watching all of this because I did, as you can hear in my voice that I don't have anymore at the end of this evening. Thanks to Guitar Center. Big congrats to all the finalists, of course, and to the winner. And also, we will see the winner at Drumeo. So see you there soon. Bye.